Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change mouse DPI to 800. First of all you have to do is, if your mouse cursor is very slow, then what you have to do is increase the speed a little bit. For example, you can go to Windows search and type mouse settings. If you have Windows 11, you will see this option here, but if you do not have Windows 11, you have to scroll down and click on additional mouse settings. This pop-up window will appear. Click on pointer options. Click on it. From here, you can enhance or increase the speed of your mouse cursor. For example, if I drag this button on the right side and click on apply, then my mouse cursor is now feeling smooth and fast. If I move it to the slower side, now as you can see, it is very slow, but it doesn't show me any DPI information. For example, to get your DPI information, what you have to do, for example, you can check your mouse company. For example, if I have a mouse of Red Dragon, I have downloaded a software from Red Dragon website and it's called Red Dragon Gaming Mouse. If I open that software, there will be plenty of options. What I have to do is go to the DPI section. Now I can change my DPI with my mouse button. It is a dedicated button in my mouse. If I click on it, it will increase. If I click the decrease button, my DPI will decrease. And then I will select multiple options from DPI 1 to DPI 4. For example, if I want my DPI 3 to be 800 or anything, I can set the value over here, and then you also get the pointer speed option over here. And additionally, you will also get a scroll speed button over here. You can increase it and click on apply. As you can see, my mouse is moving more smoother and faster. You can adjust the settings as you want. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.